two cryptocurrency narratives, millionaire. It's your boy Guys TV Millie. I'm back with another one, and today in this video we're going to talk about two crypto narratives that I feel will make millionaires in the next bull cycle. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite crypto narrative is in the comments. I really love to hear you guys' opinion. It helps with content creation and engagement. And family, hit that notification bell. Check out the links in the description. The Patreon got some of these projects a little bit early. So yeah, if you're into Super Degen plays, please check out the Patreon. This is not financial advice. Both of these projects are high risk but high reward. One is a small cap, one is a micro cap. Now, let's talk about the first one, because we know the Shanghai staking update has these liquid staking derivatives projects literally going parabolic. I found a project with a pretty small market cap, family, that I think will make millionaires in the next bull cycle. So we're going to be talking about DSLA protocol, and this protocol has a real world utility and use case. The price, as you can see, is 2021. The market cap is 14 million. The fully diluted market cap is 15 million, and the circulating supply, family, is 94% of the max supply, which is about 5 billion tokens. To put that into perspective, Polygon has 10 billion tokens and was able to hit $3. This project has less tokens than Polygon and is sitting at 202. So just imagine if this project was able to hit just $3. The all-time high was about 2 cents. And I'm going to give you a few reasons why I feel like this project will blow out the all-time high. We do have liquidity on 6 different chains, which is huge, family, because with this use case here, the fact that it's listed on all of these chains, we will expect to see a lot of volume, and it does fall under that category of liquid staking as far as that narrative. So what is DSLA protocol and what does it do? The cool thing about this protocol, family, is that it's a blockchain based project that aims to improve the reliability of online services through the use of service level agreements, SLAs. The project creates a decentralized network that allows service providers to enter into SLA contracts with their own customers, which are then monitored and verified through the network. So for instance, if you had a cleaning service, these SLA agreements, they pretty much say you're going to do the work that you say you're going to do, and you're going to get paid what the customer said they're going to pay you. So it works out. These service level agreements works out for the company and also the client. So they're bringing all of this, family, on the blockchain, which is huge. A potential real-world application of the DSLA network include providing a more cost-effective and efficient way to monitor and verify service-level agreements compliance, improving the reliability of critical services such as healthcare and transportation, and increasing transparency and accountability in the service delivery. So all of this data that paperwork that you got to go through with these SLAs will be moved to the blockchain, making a protocol like this very, very, very interesting as far as real world utility and use case, family. Overall, the DSLA network aims to provide a more reliable and transparent system for service delivery, which could lead to increased customer service, satisfaction, trust, as well as reduced costs for both service providers and customers. So let me know in the comments if that's something you think that could really, really blow up inside the next bull run, and most importantly, for a real world utility and use case. I think it can, and this is why, because when you compare this project to the other liquid staking derivatives project, family, I feel like this one has the most potential. The reason it falls under the category, because DSA's network native cryptocurrency, which is DSLA, is used to pretty much pay users to participate in network by staking their tokens and contributing to the verification process. So the staking pretty much keeps the project solid keeps the security there, makes it scalability. A lot of people, it's funny because a lot of people don't know how important staking is for the cryptocurrency projects. And to see that, the US is kind of like trying to ban the whole staking thing. It's like they're trying to cripple the cryptocurrency projects within the inside. What's the best way to cripple them from the inside? Staking holds up the cryptocurrency project. Long term, the hodlers is what make these cryptocurrency projects. And that's why you're seeing these liquid staking derivatives projects literally, family, go parabolic. So let's put this in perspective. If the DSLA protocol here was able to hit a 2.1 billion market cap, which is Lido DAO's market cap, the top liquid staking derivatives project, that would be a 145x, right? That means the DSLA protocol would have to hit 38 cents. I mean, when you look at this project, it really doesn't have any type of dilution. So, whatever the all-time high, it can definitely get back to its all-time high and many more, much more, should I say. And you can see here the circulating supply is 94% of the max supply. So, 38 cent. Based on what we know about this project, I mean, do you not think that, it could, hit something like 50 cent or even $1? It has one of the most unique utilities and use cases out there for cryptocurrency as far as real world utility and use case. Says DSA lets anyone write off and underwrite third party risk using peer-to-peer service level agreements. I mean, come on. You know what I'm saying? So even if it was able to just get to a $851 million market cap, which is Rocket Pool's market cap, the second biggest liquid staking derivatives project, it would still be a 58x. And it would have to get to 15 cent. This project has less tokens and less inflation and less dilution than Polygon. And Polygon was able to hit $3 with 10 billion tokens. This project only has 5 billion tokens. All right, so I'm bullish on DSLA. I think you guys need to do your research on this project. You know what I mean? This project, I think, is going to be a winner in the next crypto bull run. All right, so let's talk about the second project, which is Brokoli Network. Now, shout out to my boy Crypto Seth. He was the one that kind of put this on my radar. And then after I did more research, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is a crypto gem, family. Yes, and you are reading it right. The market cap is $875,000, less than $1 million, right? But wait till you see this utility. I'm about to blow you guys' mind. The circulating supply is 39% of 125 million tokens. Yes, family. A project that's sitting at 1 penny. Yes, 1 penny with a max supply of 125 million tokens. Now, if you miss Check Dot, because this project is giving me Check Dot vibes. It's also audited by one of my favorite cryptocurrency projects, Hacking, right? This project is giving me Check Dot vibes, and we got an easy 6x off Check Dot. So I took a flyer on this project. I want to talk more about it. The all-time high here was about what's that? Let's get all the way up to the top here. $1.75, and it's sitting at 1 penny. Man, so the circulating supply is not that bad. It is 39%. A little bit of dilution here. The fully diluted market cap is 3 million. Not that much, but I think it could easily get back to $2 with a max supply of 125 million tokens. And this is why. So remember, we were talking about ESG compliant supply and data tracking. Well, let's talk about Brokoli and what Brokoli does. You can see they pretty it's crazy because they name screwed me here with all of the perfect search keywords, DEX, AI, carbon credits. This is an ESG compliant. Plant trees with our green solutions and make money. So the more you utilize the chain, the more they plant trees. So you're literally trading cryptocurrency to plant, awarding the client here with cryptocurrency. Trade crypto with positive climate action. This is a sleeper. They're actually planting trees in a lot of these countries, really playing off that ESG compliant narrative. But wait, it's more. 95,000 followers here. You can see 95, good little followers. I know we didn't say the follows on DSLA, but it was about 57,000 followers. So what is Brokoli Network? Brokoli Network is a blockchain-based project focused on improving the transparency and efficiency of agriculture industry supply chain. The project uses blockchain technology to create a digital ledger that records important information about agriculture products at each stage of the supply chain, providing farmers, distributors, and consumers with great transparency and accountability. So very similar to VeChain, very similar to Energy Web Token, Morpheus Network. This project is similar to those, family, and it's sitting at a $885,000 market cap. I cannot make this up. All right. It says the Brokoli Network's ESG-compliant operations aim to reduce food waste, improve supply chain transparency, and promote sustainable farming practices. Additionally, the network includes a feature which each transaction contributes to planting new trees or supporting reforestation efforts and incentivizing. That's such a tongue twister. Are you going to incentivize me? All right. Positive environmental outcome. So huge, family, huge utility. When I was doing my research on this project, I was like, oh my goodness, this project is, it has a crazy utility here. So very, very similar to something like a VeChain, very, very similar to something like a Morpheus Network. And again, this project is sitting at an $875,000 market cap. I can't make this up. So definitely a sleeper. It has liquidity on BNB and also Ethereum, so you can make them swaps a little easy. Not the most healthiest chart all time, but you can see what it did when it was rolling. You know what I'm saying? It was able to get over $1. This thing is 1 penny, and it's almost hitting that psychological level where a lot of people start to look at it, and whales start to look at it and want to pick it up. It just needs more volume. Once the volume picks up on this project, I think that it could do real well. I'm taking a flyer on it at 1 penny, and this is why. Okay, so if Brokoli Network, and this is my favorite part of the video, being able to do the coin perspective. If Brokoli Network was able to hit VeChain, right? VeChain's market cap, that would be a 1937x. All right. Brokoli would have to hit $35, and that would be a $1.7 billion market cap. When I look at Brokoli's max supply and you compare it to other projects that have about 125 max tokens, there's many projects that have 125 max tokens that was able to hit $100, family, right? That was able to hit $100, and all you need is for Brokoli to hit $35. We're talking about a 1937x. Yes, you heard it right. With the utility we just talked about, all they have to do is execute. All they have to do is execute. And let's say you don't want to hold till then. Even if Brokoli was able to hit Energy Web's market cap, it would sit at a $155 million market cap, and that would be a 175x. Brokoli would have to get to $3.21. So you got to ask yourself, you feel me? When the reason I cover these small caps, because if you really want to make that bag without having to super extend yourself as far as liquidity, you gotta find micro cap gems. You got to. All right. If we swing down to some of the partnerships, you can see here they got some pretty good partnerships, family. Polka Starter. What's this? Viot. I see Viot here. So some pretty good partners. All they have to do is execute this roadmap, and I think this project can do real well, even if it just gets to $100 million market cap. That's 100x, right? And every transaction plants trees in these different countries, so they're giving back. You feel me? All they got to do is execute. So y'all let me know what y'all think about those projects. Again, to cover the narratives, liquid staking and ESG supply data tracking. We talked about DSLA protocol, and we also talked about Brokoli here, Brokoli Network. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. You know what I'm saying? I know this was a long one, but this was an important video. I had to get this out to you guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It's your boy SoapGuys TV. Millie, I'm out.